Hi class, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the data cleaning. So let me select the Excel file. Okay, so this is the data point it's given to us, and you can see here there are a lot of blank spaces here. Okay, now we want to remove these blank spaces. Actually, we want to find where are the blank spaces. Here the data points are very less, so it's easy for you to predict. But if there's a lot of big data, then it's difficult to find the blank spaces. So what is the procedure to find the blank spaces? Okay, so first I will click home, Home, home button from the top, and then I will select find and select. You have to press find and select. Now go to special. I repeat, from find and select, go to special. When you go to special, you will see the nodes, constant, formulas, blank, and so on. So what we have to do, we have to go to blank. So when you press blank, press OK, you will see that it has created the blank spaces. Okay. Now you want that, let me undo this. Okay. Now you want to write something on these blank spaces. So what is the procedure? First select the whole data, go to find and select, go to special, press blank, OK. Now you can see that blank has been created, but in the first dialog box, there is nothing. So it's not showing anything. So what you will do, I will write here, nothing found, nothing found. Don't click anything, just write nothing. Okay. After pressing nothing, you have to press Control Enter. I repeat, you have to press Control Enter together. Now you can see that wherever we have blank spaces, it is written nothing, nothing, and so on. So this is how we can identify, we can remove it, we can modify, we can fill up our blank space. Okay, let us go to the next. Now here I want to see the duplicates. So how we can see the duplicate? As you know, data is less, so it's easy, but if there are a lot of data points, how to see the duplicate? Now what to do? You have to press home, then conditional formatting. Home, conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting, you have the first highlight cell set rules, highlight cells rules, and write down, and you can see the duplicate value. You can see the duplicate value. So what I will do, first I will select this, all my data, go to conditional formatting, highlight set rules, duplicate values, I press it. Now you can see it has shown me the duplicate values. I can change the color also. You can change to red, you can change to yellow. It's your wish. So this is the way you can see the duplicate values. So let us go to the next. Now here I want to change the lowercase, uppercase, and proper case. I want to see the data is arranged like this, but I want to have the lowercase. I want the data to arrange in lowercase. I want the data to arrange in upper and proper. So what you will do, you will press equal to, and then press lower bracket. You select whatever you want to do it. I have selected A3, bracket closed, and press enter. So is equal to lower bracket, select the portion which you want to do, variable, press enter. Now you have seen that it has been changed to lowercase. You drag the file and everything is converted into lowercase. Now uppercase, it's already in uppercase, but still I'm going to tell you how to change it. You press upper bracket, select, and then press enter. Do you want to accept this correction? Yes, we want to accept it. and drag it. Next, proper, you press equal to, PROPER, proper, bracket, select A3, bracket closed, press enter. It is asking you want to accept this correction. Say yes. Now this is proper. See, J is in capital, M is in also capital letter. Drag the file and it has been converted into proper variable. Okay, last. Now I want to see this data. This data is given as the street, the province or state and country. But I want to divide this data into these elements. So I want to divide this. This is given to us on the left hand side, 3394 Lowland Drive, Burnaby, Canada. I want to bifurcate this into street, province or state and country. How to do this? So you will go to the data, and then from the data, you have to press text to column. I repeat, text to column, data, text to column. Okay, it is asking you haven't selected anything, so I will select these 4 things, text to column. Now, the first step, we have to follow 3 steps, step 1 of 3. So step 1, delimited. So character must, such as comma or tab, separated each field. Yes, it is delimited, it's not fixed. There's no fixed method, there is comma in between. So I will say yes, delimited, press next. Now it will ask, it is having tab, semicolon, comma, space or whatever. So what we have, comma here. You can see I have separated with comma. I will select comma. Then I will press next. So 2 steps are done. Now it is asking the last step. It has already separated this, but we want here. So what I will do, I will select this below street I have selected, otherwise it will duplicate on my first column. So I selected the second column. I went here. I said, yes, I want from the second column. I finish this. Already here, you do want to replace it, say yes. Now you can see that it has been separated from, you can see that it has street, province, state, and country. So this is how we can separate the data. So I'm going to stop here. So we have discussed today about how to clean the data. There are some steps how to clean the data. I will make more videos for you so that you know how to clean the data and do data mining and so on. Thank you so much for your attention. I'm going to stop here.